In this video, you'll learn how to transfer TonCoin from your TonKeeper app to your OKX wallet. By the end of this tutorial, you will successfully complete the transfer process while understanding each step involved. Begin by locating the OKX wallet app on your device. Once you've opened the app, look for the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Assets to access your wallet's asset management options. Next, find and select the Deposit button within the Assets section. This action will prompt you to search for the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit. That appears, type Ton or TonCoin to locate the appropriate asset. Once you've found TonCoin, tap on it to proceed. You will see your unique Ton deposit address displayed on the screen. It is essential to copy this address accurately, as it is needed for the transfer from TonKeeper. Tap on the copy button next to the address to save it to your clipboard. Now navigate to the TonKeeper app on your device, open the app and look for the Send option. Tap on Send to initiate the process of transferring your TonCoin. After tapping, you will be prompted to enter the recipient address. In the recipient address field, paste the OKX Ton deposit address that you copied earlier. Make sure to double check that the address appears correctly, as any mistake could result in the loss of your funds. After confirming the address, enter the amount of TonCoin you wish to transfer. Once you have entered the amount, look for a Confirm button. Tap on it to proceed with the transaction. The app may then ask you to approve the transaction. Follow the prompts to approve and finalize the transfer. After the transaction is approved, it will take a few minutes for the TonCoin to appear in your OKX wallet. During this time, you can check the stats of your transfer to verify that the funds have arrived. Return to the OKX wallet app and navigate back to the Assets tab. From there, find the TON section to see your updated balance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.